Right, did a bit more today. Cleaned the counterweight off with all the flaky paint. Started doing a bit more in the engine block, both sides of it. She's taking shape now. Worked on digging all the crap out from behind the levers on the left side. I've taken the cab windows nearly falling out, so I got that in the car to come back with me. It's just a matter of heavy cleaning. It's going to take, a day or two to get it the way I want it, but she's taking shape there now. But I've got 2 black bags full of crap out of it. You can see the counterweights come up well, using Star Chem and a wire wheel on an angle grinder. So I'm pretty pleased with that. It's a fair bit of work in itself. The big counterweight. So I put some more clean on the engine block, front and back, and just going to keep at that now until I'm satisfied with it. But fair do, she's coming along nice. It needs I reckon another day cleaning. As you can see, we're going right down there. I was going to work back onto the cab lock again, but she's tooth on tooth at the moment. Alright, yeah, getting there. She's getting there, yeah. But, she's really good. They're pretty helpful down there in the park as well. You can't fault them really. They're really good. So a bit of a shower this morning. They lied on the right weather. We had a bit of a heavy shower, but I stuck it out, and it's improved. Another bit blowy this afternoon, but she's all right. So I've got 2 black bags to dump up a tip full of stuff and waste. I put pig mats down to soak any residue oil scraped off the block. But yeah, I'm quite pleased with it. It's I've got the window in the back of the car here. There's the window. It's most of the clips are broken, so that's going to go back for the maintenance. So till next time, I don't know whether I'll come up Saturday. I've got a few things, the other things I got to do really, and I might come up early next week. But as you can see, she's taking right back to bare metal on the casting, and I've been scraping this off the excess grease, but at least she's been greased. But yeah, time to go back now. I'm gonna start the flag now and go back home for the coffee and unload the car, and I might work on that window over the next week, over the weekend anyway. So that's it for now. So till next time, I'll keep you updated.